It's called a family circle, so we need absolutely everybody. If you drove an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, if you walked here, took the beat. Is anybody from out of town in the house tonight? Anybody from out of town? San Antonio? Molina? Houston? Flower Bluff? The South Side? Okay, we need a big circle. We only need the birthday girl. The circle, just in case you forgot how a circle looks, it's like a donut that you haven't eaten. A shape of a tire. We need absolutely everybody in the house tonight. We're not going to do anything until we get everybody on the dance floor. You don't have to hold hands. I promise you don't have to hold hands. Unless you want to. Unless you want to hold somebody's hand. We need absolutely everybody. If you drove an hour, 10 minutes, if you made your wife, if your wife made you get dressed, iron your shirt, brother, get up here. If your wife made you buy her new shoes, if you did your hair, got your nails done, it's time to shine. Get up here. Come on. If you never wore a belt and today you wore a belt, you deserve to get up here. Come on. Big circle, big circle. Everybody. So as everybody's walking up, I just want to thank God for you guys being so healthy to be able to stand up. Is that awesome? Is that awesome? Birthday girl, I want you to look around. This is your family. They're all around you. They love you. A lot of people didn't show up to the church service, but they showed up tonight for you. So can we have a nice round of applause for everybody that's still sitting down on Facebook, on Pokemon Go? We still love you. We still love you. Craig's list gonna wait till tomorrow. Yes. We got a nice lady over here still standing with the glasses on. The nice gentleman with the red shirt. Come on. And there's a whole table over there. There's a whole table. I don't know Spanish. I'm sorry. Please, everybody. If we can have Gloria and Bert, Mom and Dad on the dance floor. Can we have a nice round of applause for Bert and Mom for doing such a wonderful job? By the way, I don't know if you guys know me. My name's Tony, and I never ever say this, but the mom, she booked me almost 2.5 years ago. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. You did good. You did good, Mom. So, if we can have the birthday girl, she's going to start it up. And nobody, if you don't want to dance, it's okay, but please, it's the birthday girl day today, so please, we need everyone to do this. On the count of three, everybody.